Hi, it's Deb. Want analytics inside your WordPress using a free plugin? You can. Install Monster Insights, at a glance Google Analytics right on your dashboard. If you don't have analytics set up yet, though, it's not included here. Again, I'm Deb Auger, and I work with entrepreneurs and creators to build and grow their online business. To install Monster Insights, go to Plugins, Add New, and search for it. Install and activate. In a few short and easy steps, you can sync it with Google Analytics. To give you a quick overview of your sessions, page views, average visit duration, and bounce rate, these stats can help you monitor and improve your website activity. Now launch the wizard. Choose your website category, save, and continue. Click Connect Monster Insights. Now you have to sign into your Google account, same one you use for your GA, and click Allow. Now select the website you want to connect from the drop-down if you have more than one, and click Complete Connection. This is all fine for me, so then I just save and continue. On this page, I turn off the All-in-One SEO Toolkit. I prefer Yoast SEO, which I also have a video on in case you're interested. And I turn off the Smart Form Builder. Read the rest of the options and save and continue when you're finished. Click on Complete Setup without upgrading. You can get the Pro version at 50% off later if you wish. And you're done and taken back to your WordPress dashboard. Okay, now go to your dashboard. Now you may want to drag the display up to the top for quick and easy viewing upon logging in. I've done that here. And there you go. Stay tuned for more. I will be discussing these numbers and how they can help you, what they mean, and how to improve them in a later video. God bless.